Hi, Nancy from So Original. Excuse the weird outfit. We're having temperature problems in the shop today, so I'm wearing a hat and I'm also wearing a sweater from the like 70s that my mother-in-law's, she had a boyfriend and she knitted it for her for Christmas, and I think it was the early 70s. Anyway, I think it's gorgeous, and it's very warm. What's on my cutting table? Episode, I think, 4. Okay, I have a wonderful client who is very artistic and wears just shift dresses. She's in a wheelchair and she always needs pockets and she needs them longer. Usually we do something crazy and use a contrasting fabric, which is really fun. But this time, for some reason, she just wanted navy. So I was able to find a very close match, and it's a little bit heavier of a fabric, which is kind of good. It gave it some body. I made a band, I extended it, and then she also wants pockets. So I am going to be placing pockets, and I'll do a quick video because it's a pretty much a beginner's thing. You could do this pretty easily. This is an unbelievably gorgeous Persian rug that is probably, well, it is the prettiest one I've ever seen. A client wants to hang it on the wall. She's never walked on it. It's silk. It is just freaking, it's amazing. This is a knotted rug, so there's probably millions and millions of hand-tied knots, and then they cut them and to fit the pattern. So I'm going to be sewing, hand sewing, and I'll do a video on this too, a wide casing out of a very heavy linen, or I'm not sure of the fabric, it depends on what I can find, so that she can hang it on a rod on the wall. So that's that. It's going to be a lot of hand sewing and it's going to take a lot of time. This is a super exciting project. I have a really cool client who is a travel blogger, and he has a Mercedes camping van thing. Well, he wants to insulate it because he goes places like Wyoming where it's 0 degrees in the winter, and it has windows, so he's insulated all the walls, he's put up paneling, and now we are making these insulated window covers that he cut, which was awesome. So all I have to do is take, and this wouldn't have been my choice, he just bought plain old binding. I would have bought a really lightweight webbing, but I have to sew this on all the way around, which luckily I have a great machine that will do it. I will also be doing a video on this. And then magnets have to be inserted so that the magnets stick to the screws in the window holes, and it will completely insulate the van for heat. What else is here? Patterns. This is a diaper bag that I've been working on for 6 months. The baby is gonna be a year before too long, so I need to kind of get on this. It was a gift. Well, it was supposed to be a gift. It isn't. And that's basically it for now. More soon. Thanks.